nothing expected, but something could be perhaps if out of left field, given, as I said earlier, some of the corners of that swaps market showing huge amounts of nervousness.
We're not expecting a seasonal surprise this time round, but you can never totally rule it out. As we've been saying in previous days, we're expecting the negative interest rate to be scrapped next year, with January or April being the most likely times, and we think April is the most likely month. But in the swaps market, there is nervousness. I think looking at the prices just a moment ago showed about a 42% chance of a end of negative rates here by January meeting. The latest figures, about 2/3 by March, and almost 100% chance by April. That's the latest swaps info. But again, the logic of when the Bank of Japan should make this momentous decision after more than a decade of extraordinary easing does point to April, when it will have both information on the wage negotiation results and also hopefully more positive information about the economy, showing that it's returned to expansion.
I guess, as ever, Paul, the messaging will be crucial off the back of it, and people are suggesting that they would be looking for a hawkish kind of pause, if you will, here. What's the take?
Well, I think it's very unlikely we're going to see anything in the statement itself that might box the BOJ in, but we might have some kind of verbal signalling in Governor Ueda's press briefing after the decision. So you can be sure that everyone's going to be scrutinizing every comment. If you remember, at the last meeting, Ueda said that they were getting a little closer to the target. So everyone will be looking out for any kind of upgrade on the wording there, as traders, investors, policymakers try and guess whether hey, we're getting closer to a January move, or whether we're still looking at April as the most likely month.